Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your deleted message on Messenger. So in first step, go to your Facebook app, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, go to your settings and privacy option, and scroll a bit down, you can find the option download your information. Select the option continue. Select the option download and select your profile as the option next. And in here you can choose any specific types of information, or you can choose your all information. So here you can choose this message option and select the option next. Download to device, and here you can see the option create files. So that's it. Your information is prepared for download. Once it's done, you will get a notification and you just need to download your information. So that's it, and hope this video find to help you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections and keep in touch with us for more tips and tricks.